Hello, 大家好. Hi everyone. Today we are going on a mini adventure in Tsuen Wan, and we thought of bringing you along through a vlog. But before we begin the journey, let's go and grab some food. We're going to eat cart noodles today, and this shop is really popular, so a lot of people are actually waiting for takeaway. But efficiency is very important in Hong Kong, so even while we're waiting, we are already deciding on what to eat later. Ta-da! The interior is so like classic Hong Kong style. Here comes the food. I've chosen the clear broth, and he got the satay broth, so there's a huge color difference in here, I think. And if some of you like spicy food, you can also add these. This is very common in a lot of the cart noodle store. This is called la choy po, which means spicy pickled veggies. So yeah, let's dig in. Here's the chicken pattern on the spoon. This is kind of like the traditional pattern. You can also see it in Rice Bowl Hat's bowl. So yeah, dun-dun. Here's a turnip. And always remember to eat some veggies. So I think they have Facebook and IG as well. So you can search I Don't Care Cart Noodles and find them. Okay, now we are here at the Muse, and we'll start by visiting the Center for Heritage Arts and Textile first, because they actually have an exhibition that talks about the history of these old mill factory. And then we'll also go and visit some of these selection shops. Most of them are actually local brands, so I guess it would also be worth featuring. This exhibition is open to public for free every day except they are closed on Tuesday. They keep all these documents really well, and even a staff handbook that is this thick. Okay, let's see, what is it about? I think they have 5 different departments: operation, maintenance, air conditioning, electricity, quality control, and general affairs. Oh wow. So it even covers risk management on labor dispute and work injuries. Alright, I think that makes sense then. Totally justified for the thickness of this book. This is the area that shows you the different procedures of making textile. And this precision balance, it's made in Japan. They actually can measure, is accurate in the range of 0.02 milligram. Wow. I wonder if we can actually feel the difference, but that level of preciseness is awesome. This is one of the OG draw frame that has been used in the factory before. The maximum delivery speed is actually 400 meters per minute. Wow. That's another demonstration of efficiency in Hong Kong factory in the past days. We are super lucky today because they are actually going to do a live demonstration of how this machine works. I heard they only do it once in a month, and it's usually the 3rd Saturday of each month. So if you're interested, please do remember to check this out when you come here. actually something you can co-create with the other guests. Wow, 好難急喎，唔夠啦有時。你吉落人哋呢度㗎。吉落你呢邊啊？佢有紋俾你㗎，佢有畫咗呢啲筆筆。係咩？係啊。呢咁啊？呢啲啊。係咁啊？我都唔知。出嚟翻嚟啦。Someone's making a second attempt at this. 加油，努力！加油，努力！加油，努力！ Oh wow! 哇！你成功咗，好似你成功畫咗一畫喺人哋張床上面啊！哇 ！Clap clap 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 clap! There are a lot of select shops in here. And by the way, the meals is actually a pet-friendly premise, so you definitely will see a lot of furry friends in here. This one is kind of like a zero-waste pet food place. You can get how many you want. Look at this puppy, so happy. Almost like he's in the all-you-can-eat place. Yum 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 yum. This is a coffee study book. Bakery notes or baking notes. And these are kind of like the old school exercise books. Oh, so much details in here. Oh, and this is a pretty interesting select store. They actually have some Cantonese postcards. Let me show you. 唔該醒少少. Please be smarter. Oh, this one. 香港運動員世一. 香港 means Hong Kong, 運動員 means the athletes, and 世一 means 世界第一, the world's best, I'd say. It's raining so much these days. Alright, I guess we'll just go and take a rest in the cafe then. We've got hot soy latte, toasted lemon poppy seed loaf, and iced chocolate. And also someone practicing his photo shooting skills. Poppy seed. Alright, that's it for today's mini adventure. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share to your friends so this mini channel can grow. Alright, catch you next time.